Today we'll talk about how can you find fits on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on fits here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all fits you have in this list here. Here can you just click on edit here, and here can you click edit your fits. So here can you find all these fits you have. So that's all you have to do to find your fits. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.